Hi, Miss M6471. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Angel Kilapis, 27 years old, single. I was born on December 10, 1998. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I have working experience here in the Philippines as nanny last 2019 until 2021.
Okay. How many members of the family do you serve?
3 members, 2 adult and 1 kid.
Okay. How old the kid is?
1 year old.
1 year old. So baby.
Yes.
1 year old baby. So you took care of 1 year old baby and you are doing all the household chores,
Yes.
right? So it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes.
And you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature. I feed him. I change the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I call my employer.
And what will you tell to your employer?
I tell to employer that the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of the higher salary. In this way, I can help my family here in the Philippines. Hong Kong is one of the safest country here in the Philippines with weekly day off, and employers follows the contract.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ah, I finish my 2 years contract. If the employers wants me to stay, I stay.
So it is okay to you to extend, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I am willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I search in a YouTube po, and the books, reading the books.
Okay, like recipe books or
Yes.
cooking books, right? Okay. If your employer provide or prepare some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the
Yes.
food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
How about to share job with other helper?
It's okay for me.
Sharing room with kids.
It's okay.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
How about taking care of a elderly or pets?
It's okay.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. I am hardworking, dedicated, trustworthy, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Angel. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay.